Hi, are you after O-levels, ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of cybersecurity and dreaming of becoming an ethical hacker? At CICRA campus, the pioneer in cybersecurity, we offer a unique opportunity for students like you. Start with Foundation in Cybersecurity, your gateway to a future in cybersecurity. This specialized program is designed to equip you with essential skills and knowledge needed to kickstart your career in cybersecurity. Ever wondering about oral results? Even awaiting your oral results, you can begin your journey with us. Upon completing the foundation in cybersecurity, you'll have access to pursue your bachelor's degree in 2 universities, Deakin, Australia, Rescom, UK. There are many more benefits while you're pursuing your undergraduate degree at CICRA campus. For more information, please contact our hotline number